This brand is made in China and can be purchased through their Amazon store. The units are backed by a very good guarantee on the compressor, which is the heart of the unit. They have an auto defrost function for continued operation even at lower temperatures, but they use a basic washable filter which does not do much to keep the unit's coil clean or improve the home's air quality. The units have a hydrophilic coating on the refrigerant coil which increases the unit's capacity and constantly washes the coil to maintain performance levels. They have a built-in humidistat as well as a child lock feature for homes with small children. The VGE033A3Bs model has a 22-pint capacity, while the DryTank series VGE033A3Bs model has a 36-pint per day capacity. The VGE033A3Bs model has a 52-pint capacity, while the DryTank 3600 model has a large 70-pint per day capacity. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.